This is the first of its kind. I have not seen any such exercise I was going through for the children or kids. Okay, this is a fantastic initiative, and okay, so thanks to my Dr. Reddy's HR colleagues for bringing this in.
The core values of Dr. Reddy's, which they live day in, day out. One is the empathy and the other one is dynamism. And this gesture of the organization is essentially very clear indicator of the empathy which it shows towards the employee and their families.
This is really a very good initiative, okay, because I know Dr. Reddy, which you are working from quite long time here, okay, but very few pharma company particularly, they take certain initiatives, and this is one of them, and it touches the hearts, okay, because
this is first time I am seeing that the company is looking beyond the employees and directly touching the life. The family is one of the very important aspects. So the kid's career is so much important for any parent, and when company is thinking about that, it means a lot for us.
Kudos to Dr. Reddy's and the team, the entire HR team for undertaking such a wonderful initiative. I doubt whether these kind of initiatives are being run in many other organizations. So it actually stands out. Thank you. I'm really proud to be a Dr. Reddy's employee.
Or whatever ma'am told me about my career options, and she gave me actually a list of career options that I can opt for. So yeah, they were in line with my interests, and the assessment certainly helped with that. I actually want to go for civil service, so they were in line. All of them were in line with the subject I chose for and what I want to do in the future.
You will get to know like what are your advantages and weaknesses, so you can find a career option which is suitable for that, which suits you.
So it is a wonderful exercise, okay, for all the youngsters to know about what are all the future career options, what they want to pursue, okay. It is not an easy aspect, right? So a lot of assessment has to be done, and lot of scientific process was inbuilt in the mentoring exercise.
Psychometric analysis will help because each one interest areas will be different. So we will be forcing our kids to do something which they may not be interested in also. So that kind of things we can avoid, and everyone has their own interest, and then better like they go with that.
Session that I had with ma'am, she told me a list of things which I should work on, and how they're going to help me. So yes, I did gain a lot of confidence after the session, and I did feel that I was much clearer than I was before.
He explained everything correctly. I could understand everything.
She was great. She was very friendly and very comfortable to talk with. She did she helped me talk it out, and she helped me share my interests and everything.
Counselor was Lalita ma'am, and she helped me a lot. Not only career wise but also personality wise, and what changes I can bring in my personality so that the career I opted, I can get the maximum out of it.
And this whole exercise helps them to actually crystallize their thoughts and come up with few options, where they want to invest themselves and grow further.
Really, this is a good initiative actually, and this will be really helpful.
No, so it is actually very, very helpful for me, okay? It is a very great initiative our company has done. It means they're not only looking the employee, okay, but they're given idea and also confidence to the employee that they are looking to contribute to us for our family also. in whatever manner they can support. Okay.
A great opportunity for people who are, kind of lost with what they have to do in the future, and those who are not clear. So giving them such an opportunity is a very good thing, because the array of options in this world is like so much, people tend to get confused, and having this assessment makes them much more clear, and which helps them a lot with their future as well. So this particular opportunity which I got, I'm very grateful for it.
Maybe it was really helpful that they thought of us also, and
It's good to know that things like this exist and people can go on the right path for them.
It's a great opportunity and a great service towards kids and the future generation that Mentoria has actually initiated. So I must thank all of you for educating the parents and the kids, in terms of identifying what exactly they should do in their lives.